Important days January month. World Braille Day. World Braille Day is celebrated on January 4th. World Braille Day is celebration of Louis Braille and a reminder of the importance of the independence for the people who are blind and visually impaired. Pravasi Bharati Divas is a celebratory day observed on 9th January by the Republic of India to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. World Hindi Day. World Hindi Day is celebrated on January 10th. World Hindi Day was first celebrated in 2006 by former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh with an aim to promote Hindi language across the world. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as a National Youth Day, and since from 1985, the event is celebrated in India every year. Army Day. Army Day is celebrated on January 15th every year in India. The reason is, on this historic day, General K.M. Karyappa became the first Indian to take charge of Indian Army in 1949. International Day of Education. International Day of Education is celebrated on 24th January, and this International Day of Education is dedicated to education. The main theme is learning for people, planet, prosperity and peace. National Girl Child Day. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on January 24th. It was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Government of India in 2008 with the purpose to spread awareness among the people about all the inequalities girls facing in Indian society. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. And the last one is World Leprosy Day. World Leprosy Day is observed internationally every year on the last Sunday of January to increase the public awareness of the leprosy. These are all the list of important days of January month.